Okay everyone, welcome back. So the lady who was on the phone, who was at the Subaru dealership, adding to Rachel's stress this morning, brought her vehicle here at the tune of $2,700 for a new seat base. He also told her it needed the cabin air filter and 2 marker lights. So I figured I would do a video for you guys on how to replace the light bulbs on your Subaru Outback. I'm not sure what year this is. I think it's a 2010. This car has 221,000 miles on it. And she was getting it serviced at the dealership, but they were missing services. So, she wound up here, and it's 2010. She wound up here, and I started looking over the car, and missing maintenance items, missing safety items, missing other items, and I just had to show her, like, stop going to the dealership. To me, it looked like they were selling her services that were intense labor to fix the car and skipping everything else. Now, I don't know the whole story, but this is just how I look at it. And then now she is a loyal customer to us. I don't know why she went to Subaru. She didn't think that we fixed seats. We fixed pretty much everything, except for engines and transmissions. I don't really bother with that crap. But anyway, you could do it on the ground. It would be easier for you to take the tire off if you were going to do that on your Subaru. We're talking about these marker lights, both sides. There is a push clip here. You want to remove that, and then you want to pull your fender liner back. You don't have to remove it. And you want to reach your hand up inside of here. And then this is a 194 bulb. Blink. You definitely want to look at if the socket has any corrosion in it on a vehicle of this age, 2010 with 221,000 miles on it. It is in minty condition too. So the mechanical stuff the dealership was working on top of the stuff that we kept going. Actually, I would like to buy this car from her in the near future when she's done with it, provided that it doesn't wind up with a transmission problem or an engine problem. I think we did service the rear diff for her, and it is actually quiet at this mileage. How about that? All right, so 194 bulbs. We have them in stock. Stay away from LED unless you want more headaches. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.